In this video, I'm breaking down how to get your home renovation done right without losing your mind or money, because seriously, nobody wants a mess or surprise costs. Okay, so first off, always start with a clear plan, like know exactly what you want before you even call a contractor. This saves you from changing stuff mid-project and blowing your budget. Next, get multiple quotes to compare prices and services. Don't just settle for the first person who shows up. When you're chatting with contractors, be super clear about deadlines and payment schedules so nobody's left guessing. Also, keep track of all agreements in writing. Texts or emails work fine, so you've got proof if things go sideways. Don't forget to check references or look up reviews online to avoid hiring someone sketchy. While the work is going on, visit the site regularly to catch any issues early instead of waiting until it's too late. Remember to ask questions if something doesn't feel right. Good contractors want you to be in the loop. Lastly, set aside some extra cash because unexpected stuff always pops up in home projects. One of the biggest mistakes I see is neglecting cleanup after the work. Dust and debris left behind can mess up your finishes and even cause safety problems, so make sure that gets handled. Another common issue is failing to communicate clearly with your contractors. If you don't keep the conversation open, misunderstandings will happen and might lead to costly fixes. And finally, skipping a thorough inspection before signing off on the project is a huge no-no, because you'll miss defects that can turn into expensive repairs later on. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with reliable local contractors who are vetted and ready to work on your place. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a cool way to find new clients without all the usual hassle of hunting for jobs.